Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on our channel. In this tutorial video, we're gonna see how you can log into your Cobo wallet. It is a quick and easy process, so follow along the steps that I'm going to show you in this video. But before that, if you have not subscribed to our channel, consider doing so because we upload similar videos like this regularly. So make sure that you are notified every time we make a post. Now let's get started. Firstly, you need to download the application of Cobo on your device. After it's been downloaded and installed on your device, you can open the app and then you can see an interface similar to this. Now from here, click on the Me option and then click on Login located on the top. Next, you'll need to type in the email address that you used while creating your Cobo wallet. After that's done, click Next. Now type in your password. If you don't remember your password, then you can click on the Forgot Password. From there, you will be sent a verification link to your email address, from where you'll be able to reset your password and create a new password. After you type in the password, hit login. And just like that, you have been logged into your Cobo wallet. That's how you can easily log into your Cobo wallet. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did like this video, leave us a thumbs up and also share this video. That's all for this video and I'll see you in the next one.